Hello, welcome to Cutover. In this video, we will provide you with an overview of My Cutover, the Cutover homepage. We will take a look at what happens once a user is invited, registered, and logged into the platform. There are three main sections that makes up the My Cutover homepage: My Workspaces, Live and Planning Runbooks, Active and Upcoming Tasks. My Workspaces will show you all of the workspaces you are a member of and access all the runbooks you have permissions to view. Live and Planning Runbooks will provide you with a list of runbooks that you are associated with, whether they are live or in planning. Active and Upcoming Tasks shows you all of the tasks you are assigned to within any runbooks across all workspaces. The My Cutover homepage will change dynamically depending on your roles and permissions to workspaces, runbooks, and assigned tasks. It will only show you what is relevant to you, so you're able to get to your runbooks and tasks directly during an event in one simple click. The blue navigation bar on the left-hand side of the homepage will always be visible on any page. This allows you to quickly navigate back to the home page or access other menu options while in different areas of the platform. The help icon gives you access to chat support and help center articles, including all of the trainings and enablement videos. Your user profile icon will allow you to view and edit your profile, such as your job titles, your phone numbers, and from here, you will be able to see what roles and permissions you have been assigned. So now, why don't you log onto your Cutover platform and see what workspaces you have access to? Check your profile information and check out our Help Center resources, and get started with your Cutover journey.